It's because there's a computer over here that I'm recording to. So who could tell me what today's date is? Who could tell me what today's date is? Zoe?
Monday, December 14th.
What's the year?
2020.
Yep. Google Suite crashing was a 2020 moment for sure. December 14th, 2020. Good job. Monday, December 14th, 2020. Who could tell me? It is almost Christmas. Who could tell me what the numerical form is for this date? Jack.
12.
Uh-huh.
Slash 14. Slash 2020.
Right, good. 2020. Good. Alrighty. What I'm going to do for sight words this week is it's actually review. So it's review week. So I'm just going to show you some sight words that we've learned this school year. Look how many sight words we've learned.
Wow.
That's how many sight words we've learned this school year, plus these ones here. That's how many sight words we've learned this year. All those sight words. That's crazy, right? So each day what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up a different 4 sight words, and you're going to tell me what they are, okay?
No, 10,000 sight words.
What is this word? Through, that's right. Remember we make like a tunnel. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, like you're going through the tunnel. Alrighty. What's this word?
Where?
Where, right? W-H-E-R-E, where? Where are they? What about, ooh, let me grab something from, ooh, what about this word? What's this word?
Down. Down.
Down, that's right. D-O-W-N, down. I almost said you. D-O-W-N, Mrs. Cooper. Down. Let me see what else I can find. Ooh. Who remembers the hand motion for this one?
Night.
Night. What is it?
Night.
What's the hand motion? N-I-G-H-T, night. All right, night, guys. See ya. Just kidding. Well, good. We did through. We did through. We did where.
Where?
We did down. And we did night. So those are 4 different ones that we did. Good job. All right, I need everyone to be muted for me, please. Today, we are going to talk about another vowel pattern that went along with our vowel patterns last week. So what were our vowel patterns last week? What did it include? Does anyone remember? Aubrey?
Magic E.
Magic E, that's right. So it included Magic E. Well, today we are going to talk about words that have E consonant E. So like there aren't many of these words. So like silent Magic E shoots back its magic sparks over one letter to make Mr. E appear and say his name. E, but there's only a couple words. Like the word these. Okay. The word delete. The word athlete. And like the name Peach, that's typically all we go over. So there aren't many. So like without this E here, this would be the word pet, right? Let me turn my lights off real quick. So I know this is kind of quick, but there's the word these, delete, athlete, and then Pete. But the big one I want to talk about today is this vowel pattern. So it makes the same sound as the E consonant E. And this is double E. When Mr. E and his brother go walking. Make sure you're muted, guys. Okay. When Mr. E and his brother go out walking, Mr. E does all the talking. He just says his name E, but his brother remains silent as he looks out for dangerous robots. So his brother remains silent and doesn't say anything as he's on the lookout for dangerous robots. So Mr. E, when there's an EE together, Mr. E just says his name. So our story today is about the double E vowel pattern. When two Mr. E's go out walking, the first Mr. E does the talking. He just says his name, E, but his brother won't do the same. He's too busy looking out for robots. Mr. E and his brother are out for a quick walk. It's freezing cold, so they need to keep their feet moving. Behind them, a man is trying to sweep up the sleet and snow, but it is just too deep, and the breeze makes it difficult for him to see. It's so icy, the queen is exceeding the speed limit coming down the slippery, steep street in her Jeep. She likes to come for coffee meetings here once a week. She's also often seen in the shops, sampling fine cheeses and buying, cheese would be another E consonant E rule, and buying sweets. She loves toffee, but she's never greedy, and afterward she's always brushes her teeth. The geese look happy feeding on the seeds. They don't seem to mind having freezing feet. And so there's that double E, okay? So, for example, you can build words with double E, okay? Like this word. Who knows what that word is? Who could raise their hand and tell me? Brock?
Tree.
Tree, right. Can anyone think of any more words? Can anyone think of any more words? Charlotte?
Cheese.
Cheese was one, right? Cheese. What else? Jack?
Feet.
Feet, right? Feet. I have blue socks on my feet today. What else? Aubrey?
Meat.
Meat. Okay, so meat like you eat is spelled different, but meat like I got onto Google Meet, right? Or I had difficulties with Google Meet. Whew, Mrs. Cooper was frustrated. Eat. Meat. What else? There's a ton. Zoe.
Ben.
So Ben has it, but it doesn't say E. It has to say that E sound. It does have EE, but that's one that doesn't follow the rule. Do you have another one?
Yes, but first may I ask a question?
Question, yes.
What is Mr. E's brother's name?
It didn't say his name. It just says that this is his brother. It didn't say what his name was. It just said Mr. E and his brother.
Maybe his name is Edward.
I don't know. All right, any other EE words? Alice, you got a word?
Feed.
Feed, right.
Feed.
Make sure you feed the dog.
Feed.
Say it again.
Feed.
A bee, right, that's also one. A bee. Bees go buzzing. 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. Bee, right. Bee is also one. What else? I could take 2 more words. Vita.
Could she see her hand raised?
Sheet.
Sheet. Ooh, good one. That's right. Make sure you take out a blank sheet of paper. Sheet.
Or not. Or not, you take out a sheet and basically you cheat on when you're taking a test. You don't know the answer, then you go on someone else's paper and you cheat.
Well, cheat is spelled different. It's not E-E-T. It's E-A-T. We'll talk about that in a couple weeks. Anything else? Another word. Danica, you got one, girl?
Beep.
B, we have B. Right here.
Beep.
Beep. Right.
Like B-E-E-P.
You're right. Beep. Good. Beep. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and let's tap out some of these words and then ninja chop. Are you ready? Okay, so let's tap out the word tree. Are you ready? Don't forget, TR is an R blend, so you blend it together. So for tree, it would be tr-e, tree. Come on, do it with me. I know we're behind the schedule, but do it with me. Come on. Tr-e, tree. One more time. I want to see everyone do it. Tr-e, tree. All right, let's go ahead and let's ninja chop out the word feed right here, okay? So it's feed, feed. I would like to see Miss Cheyenne, Alani, Amina tap out or ninja chop this word out. Ready? Feed, feed. It's good practice. Alrighty, let's go ahead and let's tap out the word meat. Are you ready? Eat, meat. Good. And then let's ninja chop out the word beep. Ready? Eep, beep. Good job. All right.
Beep.
Beep. Right. Alrighty. Oops, I have this out. We are now going to read our story. So I'm going to turn the lights back on. I'm going to mute this.
Miss Cooper.
Alrighty, so our story that we're going to read today is one of my favorite stories to read around the holidays. And this story is Snowmen at Christmas by Carolyn Buhner. Pictures by Mark Buhner. Snowmen at Christmas. So make sure you're all muted. Alrighty. Snowmen at Christmas. Ah! I love snowmen. There's a snow dog. Ah. One Christmas Eve, I made a snowman, very fat and jolly. I dressed him up in red and green and trimmed his hat with holly. I saw his arms were trembling, as if he couldn't wait. It made me start to wonder, how do snowmen celebrate? I think that while I'm snug in bed, dreaming of Christmas treats, the merry snowmen slip away and hurry through the streets. He's running away, guys. They glide down snowy avenues with lamplights all aglow, the sleeping city blanketed in freshly fallen snow. They pass by toy shop windows framed with twinkling lights, pausing for a peek or two at holiday delights. Look, they're all out. Do you see them all? They're all out and about. The jolly snowmen gather from everywhere around for a Christmas party in the center of the town. Waving to each other, they call out cheery greetings. All their friends and family so happy to be meeting. A few merry snowmen start trimming the square. Soon holly and icicles are strung everywhere. And then reaching high for everyone to see, they hang balls of snow on the big Christmas tree. So instead of ornaments, they hang balls of snow. The snow children play freeze tag or red rover, or climb in a stack till they wobble right over. The mothers lay out all kinds of cold treats, ice cream and snow cones, and dainty iced sweets. Then the dancing begins to the tune of a fiddle. All the snowmen line up and chassez down the middle.
Even the dog is doing it.
Even the dog is doing it. You're right. They're having a good time. Someone says, "Hush! Could that be a jingle?" Then over the hill glides the snowman Kris Kringle. It's a snowman Santa!
What's Cooper?
He opens his sack with a jolly ho ho and pulls out their presents, each made out of snow. Their presents are made out of snow. Check that out.
What's Cooper?
Please don't interrupt me. I'm trying to get through this, guys, because we started late. Santa sips his cocoa. The reindeer romp and play. And then with a whistle, they're off on their way. Such fun snowmen have, but there's still one more thing. With hearts full of joy, they hold hands and they sing. While the fiddler plays and sweet silver bells ring, they sing songs about snow and the birth of a king. The children are sleepy, the grown-ups are yawning. The snowmen go home just as Christmas is dawning. They're all back in their places when Christmas Day starts, and these folks made of snow have a glow in their hearts. Their smiles are more tender, their eyes softly shine, as the snowmen dream dreams of their Christmas time. Merry Christmas! The end. All right, for your seesaw activity, and I know I'm going through this fast, but I want to make sure I get it in, and then I can get the lesson up for the other kiddos who couldn't come. So, for your reading activity today, what you're going to do is you have another read aloud of The Snowman at Christmas if you need it again. And then you have this snowman here. Can everyone see this snowman? Let me move that chair.
Yeah.
It's a little hard to see because it's not too light. So what I want you to do is I want you to write and draw 3 things that snowmen do at Christmas. So 3 ways they celebrate Christmas. So I want you to write a way they celebrate Christmas and draw a picture. Right away, they celebrate Christmas and draw a picture. And then right away they celebrate Christmas and draw a picture. That's all you have to do, and then you hit that green check and you turn it in. That is all. That's all I have for you today.